Hey guys, this is how to download files from Telegram using IDM. So if you want to do that, all you need to do is just open up your Telegram app on your PC or your laptop, and then in the search bar, just type at get public link bot, and you can see it pops up right away. And just choose the get public link bot that doesn't have any numbers or anything next to it, just the plain text. And then you need to click on the start button at the bottom, and this will start a chat with the public link bot. So what you need to do is just go back to the chat where you want to download a picture or a file from. So I just want to download a picture from my mom's chat, for example. So I'll go to the picture and right click on it, then click on forward. Then I will choose get public link bot, then click on send. And this will send the picture to the bot. Now what it's gonna do is generate a download link for me, so just wait for it. And anytime now. And here we go. So I have a download link. All I need to do is just copy the link, so right click on it and then click on copy link. Then I will go to a browser and then paste this link over here in the URL, and then click enter. And now it downloads the file. So this is how easy it is, guys. Hope that video is helpful.